Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from the Robinhood app to the Robinhood Wallet app. So, let's get started. First, open the Robinhood Wallet app, tap the menu icon or the three lines at the top, and select Receive. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, I'll select Ethereum. You'll now see a QR code and your wallet address. Tap Copy to copy your wallet address. Open the Robinhood app and go to the crypto you want to transfer. And tap Send. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Paste the wallet address you copied from your Robinhood wallet. Review the details, then tap Transfer. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Robinhood Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.